Hello Raw1 and hello Netq. Hello. So welcome to the Game Engine Coding live stream, part 118, part 49 of the GUI. Doing tutorials how to install GUI. No, I do not. I'll be most likely installing GUI in this. This will be the SFML version. I will probably do some tutorials after that. Okay, so we was having an issue yesterday. Where hovering and click does not work. Let me try one thing. First of all, let's see if the up and down works, and if it does. Nefishtian says hi, hello. Linda Shepherd says fake. Hello to you as well. Hated gonna hate. Let's charge my phone. Okay, so yes, this does not work. Obviously the hover works. Okay, Linda, you have been put on timeout. Put them on timeout. Is that flashing because of the... One second, let me test something out. So there's a lot of SPD logs. A bit too many, to be fair. What? What are you moaning about now? Oh, it's VC 142. So the mouse doesn't seem to be flickering, so that was that issue. That's fine. Up and down doesn't. Oh no, I need to put it on charge. I plugged the cable into the power thing, but not into my phone. Also, to try OpenGL has using GUI. You don't need to try to link GL to your Visual Studio project using GUI after that with some tutorials if you find raw one. Yeah, I think that's fair enough what raw one is saying. And what I would also say is, like, people don't want to hear this, but you've got to have some wits about using, try and have a go. Obviously, part of it is looking for resources, but part of it, just try it. Once you've got OpenGL, so you ain't gonna get a tutorial, honestly, that does every little thing the way you want it. So find a tutorial that does a few things, then combine them all, be like, okay, this does this, my thing's kind of similar, so let me try it. Let me try a few other things. Because honestly, that's actually the source of inspiration for creating the YouTube channel, was that I was learning Cocos 2DX. That was the first video that I did. I was learning Cocos 2DX. I'm procrastinating next. I can't be asked with this problem. But yeah, I was learning Cocos 2DX. I've said this like 5 times. I was learning Cocos 2DX. Probably it's 5 now. I was learning Cocos 2DX. And I think, no. Yeah, it was Cocos 2DX at the time. It wasn't Cocos 2D iPhone. Cocos 2DX. Or the iPhone. What do you mean X? Yeah, Cocos 2DX. And I was just thinking, there's so little resources out there. I'm figuring it out by experimentation, checking, source code, mainly experimentation, just trying to figure it out. And the other resources out there, finding that they're broken or they're outdated, or this is a big one, they're missing steps. I was like, once I've got it, I'll create tutorials. I know people feel embarrassed doing it, trust me, I felt embarrassed. I didn't want to do it either initially, but create some tutorials. Might be written, might be video, might be audio, might be trying to do a book. You don't need some big publishing deal. Just self-publish on Amazon. Just Google Amazon KDP, I think it is KDP. That's Kindle something publishing. Where it is, it's come with a decent. It won't be development publishing. Where it is, it's a self-publishing thing, pretty simple to do, and just write a book about it, or whatever you like to do. That'd be a good way to learn, and then just revise that book, create more books. You never know, they might start making some money, or connect you with people that can help make money. Okay, so we're doing this. So the hover and the click don't work when I do this. When you add a button, you want to update button. So now you just come to check that and say, ooh, when you remove button, you're gonna want to update buttons. Ooh, that's an interesting one. That is very interesting. This is something I didn't. I mean, this one with breaking was here. This is something I did not foresee. What we need to do, if we removed a button, no, this has to go after this. If the current index if we underscore button size, if the size is greater than underscore if underscore current index, if that equals, if that's less than If 0 is greater than that, if it's less than 0, then we'll say on current index is 0. There we go. That should make it a bit better, but that shouldn't affect this now. Still okay. So set theme, should I mess it up, move up, move down? I mean, I'm already doing it there. No, really, I should just do it here, to be fair. Shouldn't even mess with it over here. Actually, why don't I just do this? Jump to index. What happens if we do this? Okay, what are you moaning about now? Don't even know what the hell I'm moaning about. Give it another run. Okay, so yeah, I've got a few comments. Okay, so let me have a look at this. I'm setting for a good GUI system where I can create text FPS counter for like 2 weeks right now. Even GUI is probably one of the best ones. If you want a hard alternative, you can try out Qt for GUI. I hope you're feeling good, dude. Apply for an apprenticeship today. Good stuff. I'm feeling more confident this time thanks to your advice. Good stuff. Remember, hopefully it goes well. Even if it doesn't, those are the ones. Just like I was just before I came, and for this podcast, our podcast live stream, I was just lying on my bed, semi-meditating with my eyes closed. I was listening to the Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday, so listening to some philosophy, and just talking about basically mental mori, is that what it's called? Mental mori, which is about death. So it's an artistic symbolic reminder of the inevitability of death. I'm just talking about that, and he was just saying, what was he saying? It's in my head. Just finding it hard to verbalize. He was just talking about the almost shortness of life, and not to worry about things, and there'll be other things around the corner, and ultimately we are all gonna die at one point, and that. And then I was also reading a book called Deep Work by Cal Newport, and he was saying about, I think he was talking about worrying and whatnot, and he was saying if you had half an hour to live, you would not be doing the things. Is it half a day? Is it half an hour? Maybe half an hour. But let's say if you had half an hour to live, you would not be worrying about the things that you're worrying about. But then if you can extend that even further. If you had an hour, you wouldn't be worried. If you had a day, you wouldn't care about these worries. If you extend that to a week, I mean, most people wouldn't. You extend that to a month, not really. If you had a date that in 1 year's time exactly that you knew you was gonna die, honestly, probably wouldn't care about stuff that you're doing now. 5 years, if you had a concrete date, probably not still. So don't take it to heart. And that's advice for everyone. So Bank says hello, hello. Hi, please. Next series RTS on SFML. I don't know. Maybe not. Don't make promises. I want to do more SFML videos, definitely. But those sort of series are big commitments. Obviously, I'm doing this engine stuff. I'm gonna be making games on this engine as well. I'm looking for people to help with the channel. So there's always, I welcome help. I'm trying to, figure out ways that I can do some payment or something to as remuneration for somebody helping. So if anyone's interested and they think they're capable technically, and then let's say creating videos, let me know, because I want to grow the channel. There's only so much I can do as a person. Okay, Panzer Zaba says hi, hello. Kinshaw says hi, nice to meet you all. Is there any Discord group so that I can join? Yes, there is. I'll link it to you in a second. I'm currently a master student in augmented and virtual reality. Most of my course modules, I'm guessing modules or models, maybe exactly those OpenGL stuff that you are teaching Sonar System channel. There you go. So how are they stacking up to a master's degree? Because I have a bachelor's degree. I did OpenGL part of it on my course. It's definitely gone beyond what you would cover, or at least what I covered then. So how does it stack up to master's level? The content still applicable? Discord, so we're gonna make it to over 2,000 members now. Oh, it's right there. Almost 2,100 members. Should be 2,100 or 100 by tomorrow. And at this moment, we have 157 people online. Jesus, it's hot in here. It's like I'm just finding excuses not to do my work. Okay, so that works all right. Let me see if it works all right with this here, with the update buttons. Okay, no, we shouldn't need that. That was the thing. That was the thing. We shouldn't need it. I think it's constant because it's changing the mouse cursor. Is that what it is? Can you hear me with a game? Oh yeah, what do you mean? Like, as in like making a game or playing a game? Can you just link something about the cube mapping video? Yeah, I remember that video. And up and down ain't working there. This is annoying as. It's like I click up, I click down. If I was to do this, it would work. What are the issues? I think I know. The thing is, this ain't constantly run. I'll do false. Then if I put these in here, could you explain a bit about what to link the include exactly for OpenGL, like that video, because it's all covered in each of the like respective videos. Like, why my mouse is just like flashing? Oh, what is going on here? Server issues for this. For Skybox. Again, like if you've just gone directly to that video, you need to watch I didn't recommend the whole series, but just check the setup videos, all the different setup videos, and they should help. GLF code getter, what's that reference to? Skybox.
My ear is so itchy.
Oh. I'm back. I'm gonna go and get a cotton earbud and whirl it in my ear. Sure, cannot find file system. Weird. Have you followed the tutorial prior to it? And if not, try them. If you have any errors like that with that. Currently I can go up and down. I got the mouse cursor thing, which is weird. I need to fix that as well. I'll fix it after this. And I'd ideally like to get this done today. I want a bottle of water. Oh, Jesus, it's in the car. Sorry, this is Living for Game Engine. Maybe I need to post on Discord. Yeah, go for it. Anyway, our File Sonar System channel is so great. Got lots of knowledge of my master's assignments in computer graphics. Awesome stuff. Always good to hear Ken show. Yeah, and now and again, I want to do more, but I do it like a half an hour live stream where you can just, ask me questions, and I'll try and do my best to help you in that half an hour. So, yeah, look out for them as well. They're literally just called, well, if you subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to be that guy that says, like from, if you're going to subscribe, if you're going to like, it's your choice. But it is called, this is usually the title, live coding programming, and emulator help, or help in general, or anything. You can tell my heart is just not in this today. I'm gonna get up again and go and get some water. Yeah. Gonna go and grab some water. I'm back. Why you don't just use GUI? Read this here. Yeah, I wanted to create my own one. I still am. Like, I'm nearing the end of it. Like, there was a lot more. And then I'll probably implement GUI for certain things that this is missing. Maybe watching is less for now, but seriously, your time is really helpful for learning. We just do the C++ good stuff. What is going on here? Is click no. What would happen if I didn't do this? If I literally did, I'll get an idea. I literally did this and I'll run it. I think it doesn't help actually. Let's fix the other issue. I don't. That's okay. Because the update thing I got an idea. Update is menu components from here. Oh, we should do a slight variation of that. So update, because I want to be able to pass a parameter into it. If I do update for button group, and we'll have a parameter that's a const bool, and is updating default is default style enabled, and we'll say create implementation. On top of that, we'll put all of this here. On top of that, we'll say update for button group, and this would literally be is default style is enabled, put as true, else if is default button start enabled. Okay, so now if I go to button group and if I say instead of update, we're going to say update for button group. If I say true, this should not do the up and down arrow. If I say false, it should do the up and down arrow. Okay, so now if I was to say false, gotta make sure somehow that it's not getting called somewhere else. BSV3142 error. Program without what the program will be using it. whole input do specifically? Nothing. That's not bad then. If I put true, then if I do this, underscore current index equals I, let's run that, and then I'll put the update button above it. That works as it is. Open if I do this. I mean, I can't seem to figure this out now. We're gonna run this stuff up. Give it a build, then give it a commit. Bunch of IPCH files. It's all in that same folder. Actually, should already have the. Now, did not already have the folder open. Let's go to the docs. Now let's go to. So it is in platform Windows, .vs, v16, IPCH. I mean, this folder is like, it's gonna be huge, I bet you. Yeah, okay, so let's just make a copy of this whole thing on copy it over. Let's do 119. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to platform, Windows, VS, IPCH. I'm just gonna wipe that out. Guess what I'm literally just about to grab? My PSP Go. I am gonna record a video. Look how tiny that bad boy thing is. That is one nice little slick console. I'm gonna record a tutorial on how to put games on here. Then I was gonna do a tutorial maybe tomorrow about to put PS1 games on here. Might end up doing that now. So the PSP stuff's out the way for the most part, and so I can go into PS3 hacking videos. There's a jack of storage on this bad boy. You've got to untether jailbreak. Oh my god, so good. Using the LME. I don't think I've got Tekken 3 on here. Oh, do I? I've got Tekken 3 on this bad boy. I just want to confirm it still works after removing that IPCH stuff. Yeah, that still works fine. Okay, so let's commit this bad boy now. Cancel. Commit to master. Now literally just, and they shouldn't be unless it's just created it again at that size again quickly. What the hell is going about now? They know. It's in here now. Now where is it? SFML? No, it's doing platform. Is there a hidden folder? I bet there's a hidden folder. Platform, Windows, VS. View. Hidden items. VS. Yes. Let's be Xiaoyu. And if you take, and I'm pretty sure if you complete it all the way to the end, you get. Yo, PSP works good for PS1 games. You get a new character. Bruce Lee needs to chill. So they know not to hit me. Ooh. Bruce Lee is pissing me off. Damn, on round one? But he got knocked out in round one. Low attack didn't do much damage. Can I get a perfect? Yes. Xiaoyu versus King. This video, because I put Tekken on, will probably get flagged. Not that, don't get enough views for monetization to really matter, but it will ultimately mess up monetization. Ooh, King is so deadly. Need to do one more kick to get in. I like King's trainers. No, I don't want to face King again. Yes! Xiaoyu versus Jin. He was one of my favourite characters as a kid. So you love his like sort of bluish, purplish, dark blue tracksuit that he sell. I always wanted one of them. He's definitely a bit over the top. I mean, like you could wear the jacket on its own, probably not raise too many eyebrows. Who cares? Let's go the full hog. He's definitely getting hard. The characters are getting hard now. How dare he try and touch me? Mortal Kombat movie comes out soon. It looks pretty good. haven't watched the one from I think what the 90s. Yes! Final round. Not bad. Ooh. Oh, press start and select, that's annoying. It's the end of that then. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna wrap up now. Record at least one video on how to put game on the PSP, hack PSP. I created a video, uploaded it yesterday on how to hack the PSP. That's done really well in just over a day. It's almost got 1,000 views. Done really got like over 600 upvotes on Reddit, just across two Reddit subreddits that I posted on. So people like this stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.